Hey everyone, welcome to a Goody Reader unboxing video. My name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Today we have the Inkbook Prime HD. This is the latest generation e-reader from Artatech, which is a Polish company. This device has a 6-inch screen, 1440 by 1080, and 300 dpi is the resolution. Quad-core processor is pretty solid, along with 8 gigs of RAM and a micro SD card slot. This e-reader is pretty good in terms of specs, but let's check out what's inside the box and the overall industrial design of the e-reader.
So as you see, it opens up like a book, like that. The cardstock is extremely thick and they lined the inside. A lot of the times we just see the cardboard. They also have a very nice kind of, the first page of the book, it seems. Very nice styled design. We have a micro USB, one size full USB, one size micro, for charging and transferring data to and from your device. Put that off to the side for one moment and we'll look at the rest of the box first. We have 2 document packages. This one is an Inkbook Quickstart guide, and you see they make the same Quickstart guide for all the different brands, so you don't really have to make more than one. They just make the same book, which is actually pretty cost effective. We have the user manual as well. 1, 2, 3.
Very extensive.
4, and then some info on the back. And warranty terms, all the legal stuff. Multiple languages, English, Polish, French, tons of languages. They're a very international friendly company. So we'll open up the little bag here.
Ooh.
Yeah, very exciting. And here it is. So you have a flush screen and bezel. You have some buttons on either side for right-handed users, left-handed users. Because of the side buttons, you don't get anything on either of the 2 sides. The top is also clean. Everything happens at the bottom with your micro USB port and your SD card port. You also have a very nice styled design here, and Inkbook has always done this. They have the power button that leads down to the USB port, so that's kind of a nice little stylized piece. And you have some little gradient grooves as well, with the Inkbook logo embossed in the plastic.
Most of the times people have page turn buttons right on the bezel here, but they actually have them sort of half on the sides. But most companies have gravitated towards software driven home keys, so it's interesting to see how this plays a role in the overall user experience. If you want to know more about this device, well, you've come to the right place. Goody Reader is going to be conducting an extensive review as well as comparisons with this device, so stay tuned to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/GoodyReader. And for Goody Reader, my name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Everybody take care.